everyone, today we will be doing magnetic and non-magnetic experiment to test out whether objects have magnetic properties or not.
Here's what you need. Alright, let's start. Firstly, we have to write magnetic and non-magnetic on a paper. We will put the object on either the magnetic or non-magnetic pile based on the experiment result. I have a paper clip with me and I'm going to see if it's magnetic or not. It's stuck to the magnet, which means it is magnetic and I will put it in the magnetic pile. Now I have a key with me. It stays to the magnet, meaning it is magnetic. How about a pencil? Oh, it doesn't stick. Then I'll put it in this pile. Try the last one by yourself and find out if it's magnetic or non-magnetic. We did it! We sorted out all of the objects into magnetic and non-magnetic piles. You can try to do this at home with other objects too.
That's all for the experiment today. Thank you!